The act of justice is sacred, an unyielding testament to humanity's collective resolve to seek truth, accountability, and fairness. The International Criminal Court, ICC, stands as a beacon of that resolve, representing the hope of a world where impunity does not prevail, where the powerful are held accountable for crimes that defile human dignity. It is precisely because of this sacred mission that any attempt to undermine the ICC must be met with resolute condemnation. The recent sanctions imposed by the United States on officials of the ICC are not merely a political maneuver, they are a direct affront to justice itself. They send a chilling message that accountability is negotiable, that might can make right, and that institutions that seek to protect the most vulnerable are disposable when inconvenient. These sanctions target individuals who have dedicated their lives to ensuring that victims of war crimes, genocide, and crimes against humanity have a voice. They are women and men who have chosen the difficult path of pursuing justice in the face of immense political pressure. Their work is not partisan, it is profoundly human. To silence or intimidate these champions of justice is to turn our backs on the cries of those who have suffered unimaginable horrors. It is to say that the tears of a mother who lost her child in senseless violence are less important than political expediency. It is to disregard the anguish of communities torn apart by atrocities and the survivors who carry those scars for a lifetime. We must ask ourselves, what kind of world do we want to live in? A world where the pursuit of justice is shielded and cherished, or one where it is sacrificed at the altar of power politics? Let us be touched by the courage of those who refuse to be silenced, who continue to stand for justice even when powerful nations seek to block their path. Let us raise our voices in solidarity with the ICC and all who strive to protect the rule of law. Justice knows no borders. It transcends political affiliations and national interests. The ICC represents a moral commitment to this ideal, and any attempt to weaken its mission is an assault on our shared humanity. It is time for all of us, governments, civil society, and individuals, to stand up, speak out, and demand that justice is never held hostage by political interests. Let us reaffirm our commitment to justice, dignity, and the rule of law. History will remember where we stood,